kind of a nerd. Alright guys, we're starting this video off by updating my tuner here. We're going to update it, get the tunes on here, then we're going to go install PMAS, not the splitting corgi, but the PMAS, and we're going to get a tune installed and see how it does. So let's get started with that process. There we go. Alright, now that we've got the device updated, we're going to go down here to Cloud File Sync. And what this is going to do is pull down the tunes from the cloud, and we're going to put them out on the car. See how it goes. What do we got here? Now we are pulling the tunes from the cloud and putting them on this device. There we go. Now the tunes are on the device. I'm out here with my wife, Tori, and we got Torch out here. And before we do the tune that you saw earlier in the video, we're going to install an intake. I went with the PMAS intake. I'll show that to you here. I got it used. It's in a box. We're going to get rid of that K&N one. Ready? You're going to help me.
Yeah, I'll help. Do we need to move into the shade? Would that be better?
First order of business is I'm going to remove this MAP sensor plug here. So I am going to have to remove my MAP sensor, put in the new one, but that's 2 Allen bolts and we're done. So first thing I'm going to do is remove all these lines off of this one, and then once I remove the lines I can remove the actual intake.
There we go.
Thanks. Simple little. I forgot. This PMAS is so big that we actually have to, it's such a big Johnny, that you have to move the coolant tank over. But luckily, PMAS gives you relocation bracket to move this over approximately 1 inch. So let's do that real quick. Should be super simple. Alright, now we got the coolant tank moved over about 1 inch. You can see here, this was the original location. Now this is the new location. It's only just a bracket that moves it over a little bit. So now I'm going to take this, remove this. I'm just using this so nothing got in the throttle body. Get that out of the way.
Why can't I fit?
Go.
You lift it behind.
Okay. Now this should sit down right. So, one last thing I gotta do is transfer the MAF sensor over to the new intake. So let's do that. Kind of. There. This has got the 8 on it. Loosen the clamp. Filter. Get it in. No pun intended.
To the right there. There you go. There you go. No, stop.
Oh.
Click. It's a good sign.
Yup.
There it is. Click.
Boom. Boom. Isn't this thing huge? Look at it. It's like gigantic. Here's a wrench. It's humongous. Hopefully we can make some power. Not much power, but a couple little ponies. Find out in the next video, actually. Alright, boom. There it is.
In the way?
Yep, in the way. Yep. Alright, there it is. We got the PMAS installed. This thing is huge. It's like a elephant dong. Yeah, let's go with that elephant dong. Yep. Alright, so we got the tune loaded. Since we installed the PMAS intake, if the tune didn't take for some reason, the car's going to have trouble idling, but I don't think that's the case. Alright, so first drive on the 93 race tune for Bama. We're going to see how it drives, see if I can tell any sort of a difference. I can already tell a difference in throttle response. I don't have to put it in Sport Plus mode anymore, which is nice. Seems to drive, at least right now, about the same. Oh yeah. That seems a little more heavy. I kind of have to learn how to redrive the car a little bit, and I'm driving barefoot. After driving it a little bit, it does seem to have a little more power, a little more pep. The throttle response is so much better for getting started. Oh man. Ice cream, because that's what you do in a Mustang. You go and get some ice cream. Alright guys, I'm picking up this video like a week later. I've had about a week to review the tune a little bit. I've done everything from little park pulls to driving the car daily, get groceries kind of thing, and my verdict is that this is awesome. Bama did a great job. I can definitely feel a little bit more power in the butt dyno. with that said, I probably know that somebody like Lund or even VMP tunes or something like that would make a bigger difference. And while yes, I do want to go that route, or maybe even flip flam when I'm done, Bama offers the free tunes as you add parts. So as I add parts to the car, I get a free tune for it until I'm completely done with the car, and then I can go get a dyno tune, most out of everything that's in the car. So, throttle response. I no longer have to put the car in Sport Plus mode every time I start it to get some sort of throttle response out of the car. In normal mode on the stock tune, it was terrible. Now that's fixed for sure. Between 1,000 to 2,500 RPM, there's a little bit of a difference in horsepower. Not much, but the big difference is when you're at like 3,000 plus, you can definitely feel that the car has a lot more power. And on Thursday, we're taking this car to national speed on Staples Mill in Richmond, Virginia, to get the car dynoed, and we're gonna see how much just a simple intake and a Bama tune, we're gonna see how much power it makes. I couldn't really find any information on that. There's not too much results out there from a dyno perspective on how much power just a Bama tune and an intake can make for the S550. So I'm gonna run it on the dyno. We're gonna see how much horsepower it makes, and obviously that's other than American Muscle themselves, but you can't always believe the source of the tune, but I'm sure it's close to that. But I just want to get some third-party independent data out there, so we will see how much power this car makes on Thursday, which will be probably the next video you guys see. I'm hoping to be above 400 horsepower to the wheels, maybe right at it. That would be ideal. This car comes with 435 horsepower to the crank. If anybody didn't know, after the tune, they say it adds about 25 horsepower, maybe a little less. So I'm around 450 crank, maybe. That might be a little generous, but I'm hoping for 400 wheel on the dyno Thursday. So stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Really simple. Just put the PMAS intake on there. Got the Bama tune installed. And tomorrow at 8:30, I've got an appointment at National Speed, like I said. We're gonna go get it dynoed. We're gonna see how much power it makes. I'm hoping for like 400, and if we're really lucky and I have like a factory freak or something, which is probably not the case, 410 or something like that, that would be cool. But we'll find out. So I hope you like this video. Next video will be of us dynoing Torch. I guess that's what we're gonna go with, Torch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified. So you get notified when we upload that dyno video. So yeah, Georgia, you have anything to say? She's a little camera shy. All right, guys. Till next Wednesday. Have a good one.
Oh, look. You're actually cleaning something up.